Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to work on CPA network. So who are very beginner and haven't earned any money at all, they are going to learn something and start working for CPA. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do in CPA and how you can generate your revenue. So before that, please subscribe my channel, and you're going to have my next video also. I'm going to show you step by step every single tips how you can start earning from this CPA network. So here, as you can see, the network called CPA Grip, and there's some offer here. So as a beginner, you can start email GIF submit offer. So there are lots of offer here. Got a dating site, people working for download whatsoever. But as a beginner, if you can work GIF submit, it will be better for you. So just look at this. Before that, I'm telling you, you have to join cpagrip.com, then sign up as a publisher. Just give the details. You know how to sign up. It's very simple. So I'm not going to showing you that. Just that will killing you time. So if you have any problem, just send me mail or contact me. I will show you. Send me in the comments box. So here is one offer that's from US. Get Amazon samples now. So look at this. When you click that, this type of image will show up. So here you're gonna do, just have to copy the link, this link, as you can see. You're gonna click here also, or you can do this way also, anywhere you like. After that, you have to send this link to any US user, like your friends over there, cousins over there, anybody. All you have to send this link to United States, and any people over there, if they clicks it and sign up, then you will get dollar 1.30. That's it. That's simple. So before that, when you're doing this, you can make your this link shorter also. There is a lot of way you can short your link, like this. What one of these I'm using is called jar.gil. jar.gil. So you're gonna have to sign up one of these. Here I'm just doing my login, show you. There are so many sites which makes a link shorter, called Bitly. So I am using one of these here. So again, going to that CPA offer, copy this link, then I'm putting here, just what's going on there. It's okay, it's working. So here you can see the shortage. So I'm copied it. Then I'm gonna send email to anyone like this, these links. So you know how to make shorter the link already. Here also you can get some money as well for every shorter you're doing. Like here the CPM system I've created, you don't need. For every country can go up to $100 or 10,000 visit. So when you're sending the link will grow traffic. If the traffic goes 10,000, that here also you can make some money. It automatically comes for you, no problem at all. So again, go back to CPA offer and close this site. So every single offer you can do the same way, but you have to see the country. So country offer, you have to send the same country, you have to find the traffic. If you working with the US country, but you cannot send that offer to Canada or any other country. Exactly, you have to send your traffic to US country. That's what you have to do. So sorry for that. Then you got to do uh, all the software you can find same way. You can send the traffic in email also. Then you can see there is a email marketing software also. It's called MailChimp. MailChimp, you can come here and sign up for free, and free you can send 10,000 emails in this platform to send anywhere in the world. This will help you. You can make a 10,000 traffic here. No problem at all. So what are you looking at for then? So there are some thing you have to do when you're getting the offer from network. There is a link testing place called Offerbolt. In this offer, you can search here and you can see which of the offer is going on here. You see this the offer $8. The second one, Lagom CPL costs $11. So you have to sign up here, call Offerbolt. You can find all of the offer in this platform. No problem at all. If you got any confusion, you got anything else in your network, then you can check out that offer. And after that, you can see the network also. It's called uh, appaying.com. You have to come here and you can see the all network site. Those follows the review 4.90 is good one. Add date, add combo, the OG ads. It's a good review there, but you cannot sign up from there because they are very high professional and they taking the exam and also too. When you develop yourself, you can start earning from here. And one is this call is Max Bounty. Max Bounty is the leading network right now. They are paying very good also, and lots of professional people working under them. So first time, don't jump on the biggest network because they will not give you any chance at all. So you have to start work like CPA Grip, Click Dealer. There also another called CPA Lead. You can work under this. So first time you have to make some good review with them and start little bit, then you have to jump on the big one. But as a beginner, don't jump on the biggest network at all right now. After that, what will happen? You cannot make any money, then you just give up your CPA working. So don't give up, stay tuned. I will come up with the next video and give you more tips. And before that, once again, who hasn't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and wait for my next video. Thank you.